Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome sis. You will love it here. Definitely subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss any uploads from me. Today is a stay at home, work from home, get ready with me makeup and hair routine. Lately I have not been liking the feeling of looking bummy, so I definitely get up, take a shower, and get ready right away every morning now. Whether or not I'm going anywhere, it just kind of makes me feel nice. It makes me feel put together. And if I do end up going out and running errands, I'm already ready to go. So if you want to see how I achieved this kind of light, no makeup look and how I got my curls to pop, definitely stay tuned for the video. This hair is the hair that I did a video on last week. It's the Yummy Hair Extensions Raw Cambodian Curly Wave, and you'll definitely see how I get the curls to pop and how I define my curls in this video. So if you are interested, stay tuned. I'm beginning this look with primer. I love this primer. It's so bomb because it really does a good job of smoothing out my pores and giving me the most flawless finish. Okay, so this product is very new to my routine, but I am slowly falling in love with it. It is an illuminating body oil, and you can use it on your face and body, and it kind of just gives your skin this kind of natural glow so that your skin really shines underneath your foundation. Next, I'm going in with my Old Faithful, which is my LA Pro concealer. I love this concealer. It is medium to full coverage and it's cheap. You literally can't go wrong, sis. Get you some. After I blend out the concealer, I'm literally just going to take another brush and kind of blend it into the rest of my face. This is like a no makeup look, so it's heavily based in concealer, and that is pretty much the main foundation of this look. For contour, I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty Jumbo Stick in Expresso. I love this. This has become one of my staples since it launched. It's the perfect shade for my skin tone. Even though this is a simplified makeup look, I cannot skip this step. This is my Buttercup powder by Sacha. I apply very little underneath my eye. It just prevents creasing and it helps brighten underneath my eye even more. This right here is what really ties the look together. Another old and true, tried and true staple product is my Studio Fix powder from MAC. Since I am not using liquid foundation, this is really what ties the look together and provides that extra layer of coverage that I need. Please excuse the packaging. This has been in my collection for a very long time, as you can tell, but I love it, love it, love it. This is a Bobbi Brown eyeshadow that I have been using as a contour for years. This is a hack that a Bobbi Brown makeup artist in New York shared with me, and ever since then, I have not found a color to compare. I did do my brows off camera, but here I am just touching up my ends. To tie off the face, I'm just finishing with a touch of blush. This is an oldie but goodie blush from MAC called Lovejoy. Sis, the most important part of the look is definitely the lashes. We cannot forget the lashes. These are my Lilly lashes in the style Miami, and these are my staple go-to lashes. When I'm at home, I keep it simple with the gloss, and my favorite gloss right now is this Fenty Beauty Gloss in Hot Chocolate. I feel like it just accentuates my natural lip color. Now that we have completed the makeup look, it is on to the hair. This hair is about 2 days old. I'm going to squeeze out one more style out of it. So here I'm just detangling the hair. This is typically how I like to detangle this hair. I start at the tip, then I work my way up to the root. I want to make sure that I can comb through pretty much every piece of hair with my wide tooth comb. If you watched my review on this hair, you know that I raved about this conditioner. This is the conditioner by OGX. I'm just going to add some in my spray bottle with water, shake it all up really, really well until the conditioner has dissolved in the water. And then I'm just going to spray down my hair very generously. My hairdresser put me on this circle brush, which is what I'm using to comb through the hair. She swears by it, and it is really, really good. I bought it off of Amazon. Very inexpensive, and I'll link it down below. Once I have combed through with the circle brush, I'm following up with my paddle brush, and the paddle brush is really what forms the curls. What I did in that first section is basically what I'm going to do all over the head until every last piece is coated. This is 4 bundles of hair, so it does take quite a bit of time, which is why I speeded up the footage. So When I installed this hair, my hairdresser did the flip over method for me, and I slicked my edges down off camera. So here I'm just pushing back my scarf. I'm gonna put another headband over my scarf to really tie the look together. And there you have it. This is the completed look. The hair is pretty soaking wet right now, and it does take about 2 hours to fully dry. So yes, and even though you're at home, definitely get you your favorite fragrance, put a couple sprays on, and just make yourself feel good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching.